Today, you will learn how to create a linked list of tables in Word, step by step. Before creating the list, make sure every table in your document has a caption. Word uses these captions to build the list of tables automatically. Select the entire table by clicking the small table handle at the top left corner of the table. Once the table is selected, right-click on it and choose Insert Caption. In the Caption dialog box, make sure Table is selected under Label. If you want a custom label, click the New Label button and create your own. Next, under Position, choose Above Selected Item if you want the caption to appear above the table. You can also type additional information in the caption box to better describe your table. When you're done, click OK. Your caption will now be added below the table. Repeat the same process for other tables. Select the table and insert captions as you want. If you want all captions in your document to have the same style, there's an easy way to do that. Click any table caption and apply the font, size, color, or alignment you want. Then open the Styles group, find the caption style, right-click it, and select Update Caption to match selection. Word will instantly update all table and figure captions in your document to match the new style, saving you a lot of time. Next, place your cursor where you want the list of tables to appear. Go to the References tab and click Insert Table of Figures. In the dialog box, set the caption label to Table. If you're using a different label, select that instead. You can also choose a format to change the appearance of your list. If you don't want table labels and numbers to appear in the list, uncheck Include Label and Number. You can also customize options such as showing page numbers, aligning page numbers, and choosing a tab leader. To make the list clickable, check Use hyperlinks instead of page numbers. This allows you to jump directly to a table by holding Control on Windows or Command on Mac and clicking the table entry. When you're finished, click OK. Word will automatically generate and insert the list of tables into your document. If you later add, delete, or edit table captions, updating the list is easy. Simply right-click anywhere inside the list of tables and select Update Field. Choose Update Entire Table and click OK. Word will refresh the list automatically with all the latest changes. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.